Right. In the last class, we have okay, right. We have discussed about what is framework, okay, and what is the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript and everything. Okay, everybody, right. Now today class also, okay, what is the thing we are going to do is we are going to discuss about the differences between JavaScript and a TypeScript, and we will discuss about this MVC structure. And what is this framework and everything. Whenever Angular class is started, at that time I will teach you one more time. Okay, everybody. So who you are attending today, for themselves, I am telling you one more time. Observe here, everyone. So to learn this Angular technology, first thing prerequisites are we need to know about HTML, any version maybe, but preferably latest version 5. CSS, any version, but latest version 3. JavaScript or TypeScript, any one language you need to know. Or else if you know any other language, oops concepts also, it will be good. Then after, if you know about Bootstrap, it will be fine. And here learning from me, what is the advantage is I am going to teach you TypeScript. What is that, everybody? I am going to teach you TypeScript. Okay. And I am going to tell you Bootstrap related grid system. What is that, everybody? Bootstrap related grid system. With the help of grid system only, we will design the responsive designing. Understand it, everyone? Respond, especially who is attending today, they respond. Like uh
Yes, sir.
yeah, Priyanka, and this one's Narayana Ushasri is there. Okay, right. See, some technologies if you want to learn,
Yes, yes.
yeah, okay. All the who is attending today, please all the persons respond. Okay, right. This batch is one more time telling this batch is started last week, but no need to worry. Whatever the classes is you have missed, those will be repeated. Okay, everyone, no need to worry about that. Okay, maybe something will cover today, something maybe after 2 days. Okay, but nothing subject you will be missed. Okay, everybody, don't get tense. And I will show you in the end what is the project we are going to do also. Okay, right. So one more time telling, to learn some technologies, no need to have any prerequisites. Prerequisites means knowledge. Prerequisite pre knowledge. Okay, but to learn some technologies, we need to have definitely some knowledge. So especially if you want to learn frameworks or libraries, definitely we should have prerequisite knowledge. Okay, right. So like this, if you want to work with this Angular, if you want to learn this Angular, we need to know about this UI technologies. What is this? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Okay, everybody. So any version you need to have knowledge. But the latest version, if you know also, that will be good for you. And JavaScript or TypeScript, any one of the language, we need to have knowledge. The advantage of learning from is, first of all, I will teach you TypeScript. Whenever TypeScript completed, I will teach you Angular. So whenever Angular classes started, at that time I will tell you what is this framework, what is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies. All the topics I will discuss with you one more time also. No need to worry about that. Okay, everybody, right? First of all, I will teach you what TypeScript classes. Till now, no single TypeScript class also completed. Regarding to this batch, till now, no single TypeScript also not completed. Okay, right. Maybe I will start from the tomorrow onwards. Okay, everybody, I will start from tomorrow onwards TypeScript. Once TypeScript is completed, then I will start the Angular. Okay, right. Whenever I am working with Angular, okay, whenever you are working with the forms, and that case, okay, at that time, I will discuss with you Bootstrap version 4. Okay, what topics? Grid system. So that you will have some good knowledge about the grid system. So that it will be helpful for you whenever you are working with responsive designing. Whenever you are working with responsive designing. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
is it
right.
like Bootstrap is for front-end development or what
Yeah,
it is
front end
used for?
development. Front end
Okay.
development. Okay, right.
Thank
Yes. So now then after, what is the thing we are going to discuss? What is Angular? You know, in the starting of the classes, only what can be possible? Only introduction can be possible. So since this is our starting classes, what is this Angular? So Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. So these frameworks or libraries has to develop by using any language. For example, Spring, Hibernate, Struts are the frameworks are there. Those frameworks are related to which language? Those frameworks are related to which language? Tell me. Those frameworks are related to which language? Java language. What is that, everybody? Java. For example, Laravel coordinator are there. Okay, what is that, everybody? Laravel coordinator frameworks are there. Those frameworks are related to which language? Those frameworks are related to which language? PHP. Yeah. Express.js is there. Those languages are related, those frameworks related to which language? Node.js. What is that, everybody? Node.js. Django is there. That is developed by using Python language. So Spring, Struts, Hibernate. Those frameworks are developed by using Java language. Laravel and CodeIgniter are there. Those frameworks are developed by PHP language. In the same way, Django framework is there. That is developed by Python language. So by using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks. Number of frameworks we can develop by using languages. But by using frameworks, we cannot develop the languages. We can develop only applications. Okay, everybody? By using frameworks, we cannot develop the languages. But by using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks. Is this point clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now tell me which language the Angular is developed by using TypeScript language only. It has developed. What is it, everybody? By using TypeScript language only. So who developed this TypeScript language? Microsoft. Who developed this Angular? Google. Okay, everybody? Right. So that's why in order to learn this Angular framework, we need to know about TypeScript language also. In order to learn this Angular, we need to know about TypeScript language also. So what is this TypeScript? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft company. What is this, everybody? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft company. So superset of JavaScript means what? Modified version of JavaScript. What is it, everybody? Modified version of JavaScript and extended part of JavaScript. Okay, everybody? Extended version of JavaScript. Alright? Modified version of JavaScript. That can be called as superset of JavaScript. For example, you have taken A into your hands and you have converted as B. Now there will be difference or not before conversion and after conversion? Respond, everybody. You have taken A into your hands and you have converted as B. Now there will be difference or not? Respond, everyone. See, A means think of one example like that.
Yes.
Okay, don't think, sir, how to take a alphabet, that is how to take that one into our hand. Don't think like that. You have taken something in your hand and you have modified that. Now there will be difference or not before modification, after modification? That's what I'm telling. Respond, everyone. See, if you silent, I will be confused.
Yes, sir. There will be.
What about others? Only one student is responding. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is difference.
Okay, right. There will be definitely differences. Okay, whenever you modify anything, definitely there will be differences. Okay, right. Then what is the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? What is the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? So first point is JS is loosely typed language. What is that, everybody? JS is loosely typed language. JS stands for JavaScript. TS is strictly typed language. Give me a second. Let me drink water. Yeah, TS is what? Strictly typed languages. JS is loosely typed language. TS is strictly typed language. Okay, everybody. So what is the meaning of this loosely typed and strictly typed? What is the meaning of this loosely typed and strictly typed? Loosely typed means with the free hands we can type, or strictly typed means with the serious ways we need to type. Don't think like that. So loosely typed and strictly typed means these are all related to data types of the data. So whenever we are developing the application, we need to deal with the data. So whenever we are dealing with the data, there will be so many types of data is there. There will be So many types of data will be there. For example, some data will be numbers, some data will be alphabets, some data will be alphanumerics, some data will be alphanumerical special characters, some data will be objects, some data will be Boolean values like true or false. These many types of data we will have. So whenever you are developing an application, we need to handle all these types of data. So whenever you want to handle all these types of data, generally data we need to assign to a variable. These variables, wherever you call, it will carry their values. Okay, for example, if you want to drink the water, how will you carry the water? In your palms you will carry the water, or else in a water bottle. Respond everybody. If you want to carry the water, how will you carry the water? In your palms you will carry, or else in a water bottle.
Water
In
bottle.
a water bottle. So you will keep water in the water bottle, and you will keep that water bottle in your bag, so that wherever you go, that you will carry the bag. Wherever your bag goes, that water bottle will come. Wherever that water bottle is there will be water. Why? Because already you have filled up. So what are the variables here? What is bag? Also one variable. You can keep all your clothes there, and you will keep water in the water bottle. So water bottle also one variable. In the same way, whenever you are dealing with the data, that data we need to assign to a variable, so that wherever you call that variable, it will print that value. That is one thing. Clear it, everybody? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So whenever you are assigning values to the variable, we need to tell what type of data that variable has to accept. What is that, everybody? What type of data that variable has to accept? For example, if anybody manufacturing in a bike, they will decide or not petrol if that bike has to accept, or diesel. That's what, everybody. Whenever you are purchasing a car, also petrol bike or diesel, that type of things will be there, right? That's what, everyone. For example, in the diesel car, you cannot fill with petrol. Okay, in the petrol car we cannot fill with diesel. Okay, in the same way, whenever you are assigning the type, or whenever you are assigning the values to the variable, whenever you are assigning values to the variable, okay, we need to tell what type of the data that variable has to accept always. Okay, to specify the type of the data, there is data types. What is that, everybody? To specify the type of the data, there is data types. In which language? In the strictly typed languages. In the loosely typed, no need to specify. Of course, internally it will be there, but whenever you are declaring variables, no need to specify. But in strictly typed languages, we need to specify intentionally, manually. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So what is this? JavaScript is loosely typed language. TS is strictly typed language. For example, observe here, everybody. I am specifying a variable. How to specify a variable? By using a name. Okay, but X is not only a variable, it can treat as a alphabet also. So it cannot understand whether it is a alphabet, normal alphabet, or else a variable. So to specify this X as a variable, we must indicate with var. Of course, let and const also there. I will tell you in the next classes what are the difference between. So var and X I am writing. Then what happens? Whenever browser or else your language finds a var keyword in front of any character, then it will treat that character as a variable. Understand, everybody? Respond. Okay, right. So what is this X? It is a variable. This is called declaration. Whenever you specify var X, that is called what? Declaration. Whenever you assign here any value, that is called initialization. So to initialize a value, we need to assign with equal to operator. What is it, everybody? Assignment operator. We need to assign a value with equal to. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Whenever you want to assign any value to a variable, we must use equal to. Equal to is the assignment operator. What is it, everybody? Equal to is the assignment operator. So equal to 10 is called as the initialization. If there is a variable, that is called declaration. Whenever that variable contains any value, whenever if you assigned any value to that variable, that is called initialization. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Right.
Yes, sir.
But whenever I am assigning, observe here, everyone, am I specifying any data type? Respond, everyone. So how many data types we have? Number, string, boolean, okay, any, these many data types we have. Okay, everybody. Any one of the data type I am specifying here. No. Why? Because this JavaScript is loosely typed language. I am not specifying anything else. Don't worry about don't think about this value. Sir, we are assigning the value. I'm not asking about the values. I'm asking about the data types. Okay, everybody. So to specify this number, I am specifying here any data type. That's what I'm assigning. That's what I'm asking. Did I assign? Respond, everybody. No.
No, no.
No. So I am printing here that X. What the output I will get? What the output I will get? 10 or error?
Error.
No.
Get 10.
10. Why? Because this Java, this is example for JS, JavaScript. Okay, Priyank. Okay, right. What is this? Is JavaScript. So did I specify here any data type? No. But still we'll get the output as 10 only. Why? Because this is loosely typed. So it doesn't care about the data types. Okay, everybody? Right. In the next line, I'm writing as X equal to Ramesh. Then tell me what is the output I will get? 10 Ramesh or error. Respond, everybody. 10 Ramesh or error. What is the output I will get?
Ramesh.
10 Ramesh or error. What is the output I will get?
Ramesh.
Ramesh only. Why? Because it will focus on the latest variable data. It will focus on the latest data. Line number 43 and 44. What is the latest? 44 only. Always last one is the latest. Okay. So since it is a loosely typed language, it doesn't care about the data types. And we have assigned here another value. It will always focus on the latest value. What is the output I will get? Ramesh only I will get. So my output will be Ramesh. Okay. This is example for JavaScript. And then after same thing I want to do it with TypeScript. First of all, observe here I am writing here as where X equal to 10. What is the output I will get? 10 or error. What is the output I will get?
10.
Respond, everyone.
10. 10.
What is
10.
it? Yeah. Generally everybody thinks we'll get error, but actually we'll get output as 10. Sir, you are telling this is strictly typed data language, but here you are not specifying any data type, and again you are telling we will get output as 10. How it is possible? Very simple reason. It will data depends upon the first value. Remember this point. Depends upon the first value. Automatically TypeScript will get the data type. TypeScript will internally assign the data type. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Depends upon the first value. TypeScript will assign automatically the data type. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Automatically TypeScript will assign the data type. Okay, right. For example, here I'm writing 10. Now tell me, everyone, what type of data this 10 belongs to? What type of data this 10 belongs to?
Number.
Integer.
What is it, everybody? Number. In the TypeScript language, we have number data type. In TypeScript language, we have number data type. It will accept directly numbers also 10, 12, 13, 14 like that, or else it will accept decimal values also 10.23, 13.46, okay, 16.18, like that also it will accept. Clear it, everybody? Once you declared any variable as number data type, it will accept normal numbers also and decimal values numbers also it will accept. But some languages we have different data types. For normal numbers, integer, okay, decimal numbers or float, something like that. But in TypeScript we have only one data type. Is this point clear it, everyone? Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So here I did not specify the data type, but still it will assign. Why? Depends upon the first value. Automatically TypeScript has the intelligence. Okay, this is a number. So automatically it will assign the data type as number only. For what? Due to this variable. Then what happens, since it is assigning automatically? If you are assigning manually, or else if it is assigning automatically, no need to worry. It will get the output as 10 only. Is this point clear at everybody? Right. In the next line, I am writing here as X equal to 25. Respond, everyone. What is the output I will get? 10, 25 or
25.
error?
25.
Right. What about others? Respond, everybody.
25.
What is that, everyone? 25.
25.
Yeah. Why? Because it will focus on the latest data. What is that, everybody? It will focus on the latest data. Okay, everybody. Right. And data type and data both are matching also. What is that, everyone? Data type and data. Okay, both are matching also. What is that? Here data type is number and the data is what? Number only. 10 also, 25 also numbers only. So that's why we are getting output as 25. For example, now I am keeping this 25 in the double quotations. Then what happens? As per the language, whatever you keep in the single quotes or double quotes, that language will treat like a string only, alphabet only. Understand everybody? That will treat like a string only. That means what? Alphabets, alphanumeric, alphanumerical special characters. Okay, those data types will be string. So strings we need to write in the double quotation. Not only that, alphabets, alphanumerical values, alphanumerical special characters. If you write pure numbers also in the single quotes or double quotes, then that language will treat like a string data type only. Understand everybody? Now tell me what is the output I will get? 10 and
Error.
25 error.
Error.
Error. Yeah, why? Because it has TypeScript is taking this X data type as number. Then what happens? Always this variable will accept number as the data type. Sorry, number as the data. But in the next one, what are you doing? Previously have assigned 25. So 10 also number, 25 also number. That's why they have thrown output as 25. But now same 25 you are keeping in the double quotation. According to the TypeScript language, whatever you keep in the double quotes or single quotes, that language will treat as a string only. Here data type is what? Number. But what is the value you are assigning? String. So then what happens? Since the data type and data is not matching, we'll get output as error. What is it, everybody? Output as error. Same thing happens if I change this to Ramesh also. What is this Ramesh? Alphabets. How to write the alphabets? In the double quotations or single quotations. But once you write anything in the single quotes or double quotes, automatically TypeScript will understand it as a string data type only. But this variable X is taking as a number. Then what happens? Data type and data is not matching, then it will throw error. Understanding, right? Respond Priyanka and others
Yes,
also.
sir.
Okay, right. Like Amir, Abdul, Chaitanya.
Yes, sir. I have one question here, sir. Like, does it depends upon the typecasting here? Like, for example, if I will keep X as Ramesh, like for number can take like 4 byte of memory, string can take more. That's why it's like throwing error, or
No, data
it
type
doesn't
and data
depend upon that.
it doesn't depends upon that. Not
Okay,
depends upon the memory, it will throw the error. Okay. Depends
okay,
upon the data type, it will throw the error. Okay.
okay,
Right.
okay, okay.
Yeah, what about others? Like Didugu Yashwant, Mayank Mishra, Pranav, Pushpender Singh, Narayana Ushasri, Suresh Kumar. Respond everybody. Understanding or not? Don't be silent. Umesh Patel. See, whatever the names I am calling, please respond any one of them. If you responded, then only I will be confident. Okay, they are understanding like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. So now then after. Okay, everybody. Right. This is about the first data type. Is this point clear or not? Respond everybody. First data type is clear. Okay. First point is clear. Okay. Sir, I want to assign the data type manually. You are not teaching that. How to assign manually? Very simple. If you want to assign the data type manually, this TypeScript is post-fixed language. That means prefixed languages we need to assign the data type as before of the variable, like integer, something like that. Okay. But the post-fixed languages we need to assign after variable declaration. That means where X is there, write here number. Like this. We need to assign the data type as with colon. And we need to write the data type as number. Clear it, everybody? Hello? Right, number. Okay, everyone? Right. This is how we will assign the data type as manually. After variable can be called as post-fixed data types. Before variable can be called as prefixed language. Prefixed data types. Okay, everyone? Right. So that's it. Okay, right. This is completed. And then after, what is this second point? What is this? Params count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript because the unmatched parameter value will becomes undefined automatically. But here, what is language? This is JS. JS stands for JavaScript. But what is the second point? Parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Sir, I am new to programming. What is this parameters and arguments? Why are you teaching in the introduction classes? Please don't think like that. I will tell each and everything practical in the next classes. But normally, to understand what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript, we need to know the basics. Okay, everyone. That's why I'm telling this in the starting classes. So what is this parameters and arguments is, for example, whenever you are developing an application, we need to perform different functionalities. Sometimes we need to add, sometimes we need to multiply, sometimes we need to subtract, okay, and sometimes we need to insert, sometimes we need to update also. Sorry, everybody, I have drink water. Right. So we need to perform different types of functionalities. Okay, everybody, different types of functionalities. Clear, right, everybody? Right. So to perform different types of functionalities, different types of functionalities, we should write functions. Clear, right, everybody? We should write functions. Hello. Okay, everybody. So in order to write that functions, we need to use function keyword. And then after, immediately every function should have a name. For example, there is a human baby. So will you name it or not? Respond, everybody. Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, if you are writing a function, we need to name that function. Then only we are able to call that function. Okay, everybody, remember, whenever you want to develop an application, we need to perform different types of functionality. Add also, multiply also, subtraction also, or else what is this updating also, inserting also, retrieving also, deleting also. We need to perform different types of functionalities. In order to perform different types of functionalities, we need to write functions. Each and every function should have their own name. Then only it will perform that particular operation only. So in order to write that functionalities, we should use functions. How to write a function? Function keyword, then immediately a function name. Okay, right. For example, add. Now respond, everybody. If we want to add, minimum how many numbers we require? Respond, everyone. Minimum how many numbers we require? We want
Two.
here minimum 2. Okay, everybody, right? So that's why I am writing here 2 parameters. So what is this? For example, observe here, everybody. Observe here. What is this? Function name, parenthesis, curly brace. What is this? This can be called as declaration of the function. What it can be called as? What is it, everybody? Declaration of the function. And yeah, whenever you declare a function, we should write the instructions immediately. What is it, everybody? We should write the instructions immediately. So inside that function, for example, in between these curly braces. Now let's write there console.log. For example, this is add method. What is this, everybody? Instructions. These instructions can be one line also, multiple lines also. Okay, right. For example, if you are writing instructions inside a function, do that instructions call automatically. Respond, everyone. Do that instructions call automatically? No. Whenever you write any instructions inside a function, that instructions does not call automatically. Remember this. That instructions does not call automatically. Whenever you call that function, then only that instructions will be executed line by line. Okay, everyone. Right. Now observe here how to call this function with the help of this name. For example, you have a friend. How will you call that function? Sorry. How will you call that friend? Respond, everybody. You have friends in the college. Okay. In your college, you want to call your friend. How will you call?
By his name.
By his name. Okay. That's it. So in the same way, if you want to call this function, how will you call? How will you call? By using its name. What is that? Add parenthesis. Okay. Calling a function can be called as invoking a function. Invoking also. What is it, everybody? Calling a function can be called as invoking. This is called declaration, function name. But this is what? Invoking only. That means whatever the function you have declared, you are calling. Okay, right. Now respond, everybody. If you want to perform adding operation, minimum how many numbers we require? Minimum how many numbers? 2 numbers. So we need to send 2 numbers to this function. In order to send 2 numbers to this function, in the parenthesis we need to send. So write there 6 comma 4. Okay, everybody. So what is this 6 comma 4 can be called as arguments. Why? Because we are sending these values. Okay, when we are sending these values, whenever you are calling a function. So whenever you are sending values, whenever you are calling a function, those values can be called as what? Respond. Those values
Argument.
can be called as what?
Argument.
What is that, everybody? Arguments. Then where they will go? They will go to this function. Once they are going, how to hold? For example, you went to your friend's home, your friend's mother is offering you tea, then we need to hold the teacup or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. In the same way, we are offering 2 values to this function. So whenever you are offering, okay, this function has to hold that or not? Yes, it has to hold. How it can be held? By using parameters. How to write parameters? By writing here like this. Whenever you are writing something, okay, whenever you are in the parenthesis, whenever you are declaring, that can be called as parameter. That is the difference. Whenever you are sending values, whenever you are calling a function or else invoking a function, those values can be called as arguments. Whenever you are writing something, whenever you are declaring a function, those can be called as parameters. These arguments will hold with the parameters respectively. Respectively means first argument, first parameter, second argument, second parameter. Is this point clear, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then after, what is this? This 6 will hold by this A. This 4 will hold by this B. Then what is this A comma B will becomes numbers. What is it, everybody? Number. So to add the numbers, we must use here plus operator. See, in the JavaScript, plus will perform 2 operations. In the JavaScript, plus will perform 2 operations. One, okay, what is that? Arithmetic operator. What is it, everybody? Arithmetic operator. Okay, that means adding operator. So left side of the plus, right side of the plus, both values are numbers. Then plus will work like a additional operator. What is it, everybody? Arithmetic. That is also additional operator. Understanding that, everybody? What is that? Left side of the plus, right side of the plus, both values are numbers. Then will work like a additional operator. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So left side A, right side B I am writing. Now tell me, A and B both are numbers or not? Respond, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the output I will get? Number only. What is that,
Number
everybody?
only.
Number only. So number plus number equal to a number. So 6 is a number plus B is a number 4. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 also a number. Okay. Number plus number equal to number. Okay. Right. There is no problem. For example, any one of the values is a string. For example, here I am writing as 4. What is it, everybody? I am writing here a value as 4. Now, if you write anything in the double quotations, what TypeScript will understand?
String.
String only.
String.
So left side or right side, any one of the value are string to the plus. Then this plus will work like concatenation operator. What is it, everybody? Concatenation operator. Then what happens? It will keep everything side by side. It will keep everything side by side only. Okay, it doesn't give output like 10. It will give output as 6, 4 side by side. Since they are 6, 4 looking keeping side by side, it will look like 64, but that is not actually 64. 6 and 4 both it is keeping as side by side only. Is this point clear or not? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear.
Left side or right side, any one of the values is a string, then plus will work like a concatenation operator. Concatenation means it will keep everything side by side. Okay, right. So this is it. So we'll get output as 6 and 4 side by side. For example, here I am specifying how many parameters? 2 parameters. For example, I am specifying only one argument. Then what will be my output? Observe this description. Tell me. What will be my output?
Error. It will
It will
produce
be
error in
No.
TypeScript.
NaN, not
No.
a number.
Yeah, we'll get output as not a number. We don't get error. Why?
Yeah.
Because unmatched parameter value will become undefined. Not all the parameters values. Unmatched parameter value will become the undefined. For example, here one argument is there, here also one parameter is there. So parameters is matching. So 6 will assign to J. But here what is the unmatched parameter? B, because there is no value for that. Then what is this unmatched parameter? Value will become undefined. So A is a number plus B is what? Undefined. Undefined means no value. So if there is a value, if it is a number, it will add. If it is a string, it will combine. But if there is no value, it cannot perform the additional operator. Since it is not able to perform the additional operator, it will tell not a number. What is it, everybody? Not a number. So we are getting output as what? None, not a number. Same thing I am doing with the TypeScript. One argument and two parameters. Now tell me, as per the description, what is the output I will get? Respond, everyone. As per the description, tell me what is the output I will get. Error. What is it, everybody? Error. Why? We must follow that rule. What is that? Parameters count, arguments count. Okay, should match in TypeScript. Tell me, see here, everybody. One argument but two parameters. Then what happens? Arguments count, parameters count is matching. Respond, everyone. Do arguments count, parameters count is matching? Hello. Respond, everybody. At least 1% respond.
No, it's not matching.
It's not matching. Okay. Then what happens? We'll get output as error. Why? Because the rule is they should match. What is it, everybody? They should match. Should match means what? We must follow the rule. For example, all metropolitan cities, helmet is mandatory. Like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay. Whenever we are riding a bike, we must have the helmet. For example, if we don't have the helmet, what happens?
Challan.
We need to pay the fine. Okay, we need to pay the challan. Okay, everybody, or else we need to pay for the challan. So why this is happening? Because we are not following the rule. So here also, if you don't follow the rule, TypeScript will throw the error. This is the second point. Are you clear about the second point? Respond kindly, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear.
Okay, right. Okay, right. This is second point also. Then what about the third point? JavaScript uses interpreters. TS uses compilers. What is this interpreters and compilers? See, for example, we are writing programming language, but which alphabets we are using? English alphabets only. For example, computer can understand English, Urdu, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Spanish, Japanese, something like that. Respond, everybody. Respond kindly.
No.
No, computer cannot understand any human reading, writing, speaking languages. It can understand only binary language. What is this? 0 and 1. So we are writing English alphabets, but computer can understand only 0 and 1. Then who will translate? These interpreters and compilers. So what is the difference between these interpreters and compilers? Both will do the same work, converting our code into binary code only. But what is the difference? What is the difference is JavaScript uses interpreters, TypeScript uses compilers. But what is the difference? Interpreters will read our code line by line. They will throw errors also one by one. For example, if you are writing 20 lines of code by using JavaScript, line number 2, line number 4, line number 6, there is a problem. But still you did not identify. You have executed in the browser. Then what happens? First of all, it will display line number 2 error only. Only it will display line number 2 error. It does not display 4 and 6. After solving, so first of all, it will display number 2. After finding the line number 2 error, after solving it, and if you refresh the page, then only it will display the line number 4 error. After solving line number 4 error, then only it will display the line number 6 error. That means what we need to understand, whenever JavaScript finds the error, it will stop the interpretation. It does not go to the next line. Is this point clear? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. But what is these compilers will do? It will read entire program and it will store all the errors in one particular place. And whenever the execution is completed, it will display all the errors at once. That means line number 2, line number 4, line number 6, all the errors list it will display. Clear it, everybody? All the errors list it will display. So we need to find all the errors and we need to modify all the errors and we need to refresh the page. Okay, sorry, we need to re-execute the program. This is the differences between interpreters and compilers. Both will convert our code into binary code only. but displaying the errors is different. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is completed. And then after, what is the fourth difference? Very simple. Oops concepts in JavaScript are very, very complicated because there is no class concept. But oops concepts in TypeScript is not complicated. Why? Because there is class concept. Okay. If there is a class concept, what happens? Simply we'll write a class. In that class, we can write single function or else hundreds, thousands of functions also. But whenever you write functions inside a class, all the functions we cannot call directly. Okay, through that class only we can call. How to call through the class? Through the class directly we cannot call. We need to create an object for the class. So very simple. If you are writing functions inside a class, we need to create an object for that class. With the help of that one object, we can call one single function also, we can call 100 functions also, we can call 1000 functions also related to that particular class. What is it, everybody? Through that particular class. In simple words, all the functions related to a particular class we can call through that object for that particular class. Clear or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. But if there is no class concept, what happens? We need to write so many functions. One function we need to write, two functions we need to write. In the function we need to write another function. That function we need to send it to some other function. That function has to manipulate with some other function. So many functions we need to write. Since we need to write so many functions, if we are making any single mistake in any one function, we need to check all the functions so that it will be very, very complicated. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Unfortunately, there is no time to discuss about this MVC structure. So tomorrow class I will discuss about this MVC structure. What is that, everybody? MVC structure. Once this is completed, I will start the TypeScript classes. Okay, everybody. So that's it, everybody. This is about this today class. Okay. But wait, why everybody? I will show you what is the project we are going to do in the last. Okay, Ron. What is the project we are going to do in the last? I want to show you. Wait 1 second, everyone. So we'll do a project thread operations. Okay, everybody? Right. After that, we'll do second project, which is a mean stack application. Wait 1 second. See it. Mean stack project. That means I am not going to teach you completely MongoDB, Express.js, and AngularJS. Sorry. Angular I will tell you completely. But Express.js, MongoDB, Node.js, I am not going to teach you completely. But whatever the code I write, that one I will explain you. What is the advantage is you will understand how to combine this Angular with server-side technologies also. Okay, everybody. First of all, I declared here a project. There is backend. There I will handle all the backend related functionality, like Express.js related functionality. In the front end, I will install Angular application. Okay, everybody. In the front end, I will install Angular application. Okay. So both I need to execute. So no need to worry about these comments, whatever I'm writing. No need to worry about that. Whenever you're doing the project, you will understand that. No need to worry about that. Cannot find module. Sorry. Yes, perfect. Now go to the browser. Type here as localhost 4200. Here, everybody, we are getting here products are not. Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody, we are getting here also. Okay, right. So how many products we are getting? Respond kindly. 8 products. What is it, everybody? 8 products. From where we are getting this? From the database only. What is it, everybody? From the database only. Clear it, everyone. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. From the database only. For example, see here, pizza, fried potatoes, chicken soup, vegetable pizza is there. Now I am taking here as pizza. So here how many pizzas we have? Pizza pepperoni, vegetables pizza, yeah, magenta pizza. So we have only 3 pizzas. Now click here. You are getting only 3 pizzas or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means what we understand? Okay, search function is working. Okay, everybody. So right.
Mhm.
Some people what they will do, they don't type anything in search also, because they will. We are already displaying the tags. See the food name and how many foods we have. Lunch, pizza. So we have totally 8 foods. But in these 8 foods, 6 foods are fast food we can consider. 5 foods we can take as lunch also. Okay. And especially 3 foods are pizzas. And slow foods are 2. And a burger, hamburger, fry and soup. Now observe there, click on the fast food. Getting only 6 foods are not. Respond. Here how much count we are displaying? 6. Clear, right, everybody? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And then after if we click on the lunch, how many foods we are getting? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See it, how many count we are displaying? 5 1. These are all comes under the dynamically from the database one. So
Mhm.
search functionality also I'm telling. This is a tax functionality also I'm telling. And I will tell you how to write the database query for this. In order to get all the tax names and along with the count also. Okay, everybody? Right. And then after, see here everyone, whenever I click here, it is going to home page. Now I am clicking here. Wait 1 second. Right. I am clicking here, fried potatoes. See, we are getting this particular product related details or not? Respond everyone. That
Yes,
particular
sir.
product related, okay? Product image,
Yes.
product detail, page, sorry, product name, product origins, Belgium and France. Okay. Then after fast food and fry. Then after time to cook about 15 to 20 minutes, price also. And it is my favorite also. Okay. Now click on add to cart. Once you click on the add to cart, see cart count also increased here. Previous is 1 page, this is 1 page. Okay. But is updating here also. And then after, see it, product image, product title, quantity, price, remove. See it, everybody, whenever I change the quantity, it is updating the price also. And here also it is updating. Now once you click on the checkout, see it, everybody, it is not going to login page directly. Sorry, it is not going to checkout page directly. It is going to first login. So I am writing here Ramesh@gmail.com and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. See everybody, login functionality also there. Okay, don't think there is no login functionality. See there we have login. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And then after see it, that order related information I am displaying here. Now I am clicking here, find my location. So that it will find user's location. Once that is completed, click on the go to payment. Once that is completed, it is going to payment page only. Here we are displaying all those things also. Okay, now click on the PayPal button. See it? It is displaying here PayPal related things. Clear it, everybody? Up to here, I am teaching you. This is real time work or not? Respond everybody. Set
Yes, sir.
functionality, tax functionality, register functionality, login functionality, checkout functionality, payment functionality. Okay, this much
Yes,
I will tell you. Okay, so that you will get easily 2 to 3 years of knowledge. Okay, everybody, right? So that much knowledge I am going to give you. Okay, everybody, right? So, but you also should be practice daily. Okay, everybody, you also should learn interestingly. Then only, yeah, whatever I'm teaching, then only you are able to understand that.
sir. I have
Okay,
one question, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, will that be a single page application or it's
Single
means?
See, single page application is, I will tell you what is the meaning of single page application, or else you will be confused. So tomorrow I
Okay,
will like that. Okay, right? Yeah,
okay,
that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll
Sir,
continue. Okay.
sir, I
okay.
have questions
Yeah, tell me, Priyanka.
regarding what would be the time, like daily classes would be at the
Yeah,
same time?
yeah. I forgot to inform you about
And
the class. One,
yeah,
yeah, tell me. I forgot to tell you about the class information. I'm really sorry for this.
no problem.
Yeah. See here, everybody. Course information. Class timings morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, Indian timings. Okay, daily same time. Okay, class days will be Monday to Friday. What is it, everybody? Monday to Friday. Course duration will be 2 to 3 months. Okay, with the projects, everybody. And you will get pre-recorded videos Okay, because the live recorded videos means it is taking so much space in the Google Drive. So if I am purchasing extra space also, it is not okay enough for me. So that's why I'm giving you pre-recorded videos, but no need to worry, same subject, same version. That means sorry. If anything is changes, I will give you that related versions also. But these versions are latest versions only. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes,
My
sir.
previous
Yes, sir.
version also Angular 18 only. I will tell you that one also. Okay. So pre-recorded videos, and I will give you example files. Example files with notes I will give you. Okay, everybody. I don't have any specific material, but I will give you the notes in the file in the example files, so that they can prepare okay easily topic by topic. Whenever you are working with, whenever you want to prepare for interviews also, it will be good for you. Clear or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
right. But don't expect any PDF file. But I will give you example file with notes. But I will give you pre-recorded videos also. Okay, everybody. So what is the advantage is? Yeah, okay, Abdul. Right. So what is the advantage is? Okay. What is yeah? You can prepare topic by topic. But the thing is, you need to pay the money. Then only I will share the pre-recorded videos. Okay, Abdul. Okay. Once you made the payment, then only. Okay, Abdul. Right. So yeah, Abdul, I will take your email address. Then after I will share. Okay. But please confirm you paid or not. Please send your screenshot to the online team. Okay. Recorded videos also, notes also. Okay. Once you paid, then only I will share with you everybody. Okay. Right. So this is the course information. Okay, Priyanka. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it. Yeah. See,
Um,
regarding pre-recorded videos, no need to worry about that. Okay, if anything is changes, that related videos I will tell and I will record and I will give it to you. But previous class also Angular 18 only, this one also Angular 18 only, so that no need to worry about that. Okay, everybody. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah.
and this will include CRUD operations as well, this Angular
Yeah.
project.
Yeah, definitely. It will include CRUD operations also done from Instack project also. Okay. Right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much,
Thank
everybody.
you, sir. Thank you
So
very much.
once, yeah, if you paid the payment, please send the payment screenshot to the online team. Okay, everyone, please send the payment screenshot to the online team. Then only they will recognize you as a paid student. Then I will share all the videos and all the files with you. Okay, everybody. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for attending my classes. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue. Okay. Bye, everyone.
And one
Thank you.
last question. Sorry,
Yeah,
one last.
yeah,
If
please.
if we have like some doubts, if something is not working out, so
Yeah,
that would be solved
definitely.
within the
No, no,
class or
definitely. What definitely I will clarify in the class itself. Okay, Priyanka.
okay.
Right. Yeah, yeah, right. Okay, you can send me a mail. I will give my email address also tomorrow, but I will solve in the class because sometimes I cannot explain in the email. Okay, Priyanka,
Okay.
definitely I will solve it in the class. Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you very much.